Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Chances are you've seen these shoes before. These are the Vans classic slip-ons, and these are a total classic look, and they are also very comfortable and functional. So my husband has this pair. I have had several pairs of these in the past. They're really a great shoe. They're easy for every day because you can just slip right into them and they're really comfy. They got nice padding inside, and I also like that it has this elastic here. So you got a little bit of wiggle room when your foot is inside. The sole is flat and it's nice and grippy. So if you do skateboard, you can definitely grip to your deck with these shoes. And even if you're not skateboarding and you're just wearing them as a casual shoe, super comfy. I also love the checkerboard design. Again, very classic Vans. This is the black and pewter color. And overall, these have been a great pair of shoes. My husband loves them. He loves that he can just slip into them and not have to deal with any laces. So it makes for just an easy out the door. So if you're looking for a pair of shoes like that, I would definitely check out these Vans, and that's my point of view.